The new Bugatti L'Aventure Noir 2019. The most expensive car in the world at a price of nearly $19 million. Bugatti unveiled today at the Geneva Motor Show 2019 its unique new car in a single copy, which it described as a GT. It's the Bugatti L'Aventure Noir, designed on the basis of Chiron, into which it adds an impressive custom structure. This car is a remake of the legendary Type 57 SC Atlantic, of which only 4 versions were built, and with 3 of them, it is believed to be one of the most expensive cars on Earth if it goes on sale. As its name indicates, the Bugatti L'Aventure Noir is distinguished by its glossy black color in honor of the original car. This glossy black look is chosen for the handcrafted carbon fiber. Rolls-Royce unveiled the Sweptail supported the unique Phantom Coupe, with one copy exclusive to an unidentified owner, at a price of about $13 million, like quite 48 million Saudi riyals, to become the foremost expensive new car within the history of cars. The Rolls-Royce Sweptail comes with an expensive and vintage coupe design during a navy color and carries a well-known Rolls-Royce facade with a raised frame with slightly of chrome, which we also find round the side windows and within the rear facade, sculpted during a triangular shape in an uncharacteristic sort of Rolls-Royce. Unfortunately, Rolls-Royce has not yet revealed the Sweptail interior, but we expect a serious shift within the design, as some details of the middle console are often seen through the image of the back end, and Rolls-Royce also revealed an indoor image revealing the rear section of it that didn't get any seats, but on many leather and wood. Rolls-Royce, one of the foremost expensive and rare private cars within the world, Maybach Exelaro, $8 million. Most of the people consider cars to be important in their lives, and lots of folks are keen on this beautiful industry, especially luxury and sports cars. All folks aspire to have the car of our dreams, but only a few folks can afford the Maybach Exelaro. This beautiful and rare piece of pure art. The Maybach Exelaro is one among the rare and costliest cars within the world. Just one copy has been made, and therefore the chance to have it, drive it, or maybe see its pure luck. This luxury German car was manufactured in 2005 as a one-time model by the Fulda Tire Company. It had been originally designed as a test car to check a replacement model wide tire. Maybach was inspired by this 1930 sports car, the Maybach SW38. There's some controversy over the present owner of the car, where some say rapper Birdman continues the successful Bugatti path over 110 years of exceptional design and performance, while commemorating the brand's recent history. With Centodieci, Italian for 110, Bugatti has created a reinterpretation of the epochal EB110, which, upon its introduction in 1991, was considered the fastest and the most exceptional supercar of its era. EB110, built by Romano Artioli in Italy, was an important intermediate step for the re-establishment of Bugatti in 1998 and back to the French roots in Molsheim. Inspired by historical model, Centodieci pushes all the limits of imagination with its stunning performance and groundbreaking design. Featuring a modern interpretation of the classic wedge shape and with the iconic W16 engine, Centodieci safely takes the EB110 engine into a new millennium. The 10 limited edition vehicles are distinguished by their impeccable elegance and sculpted beauty, making the Centodieci a true work of art in concrete. Bugatti launched its first track racing hypercar called Defo on August 24 at the Quail de Coil in Monterey, California. Bugatti was drawn and designed to honor Albert Defo, a French race driver who won the Targa Florio mountain race twice. In a comprehensive look, the difference between the appearance of the car, its exterior design, and the design of the regular Chiron. Inspiration from the Gran Turismo concept that was shown to the world before the Chiron was unveiled. And in 6th place came the Pagani Huayra Imola, which was first unveiled in September 2019 and was launched at a cost of $5.4 million, and is powered by a 6.0-liter V12 engine with 827 horsepower and 1,100 Newton-meters of torque. The Pagani Huayra, Italian pronunciation, Huayra, is a mid-engine sports car produced by Italian sports car manufacturer Pagani, succeeding the company's previous offering, the Zonda. It is named after Huayratata, a Quechua wind god. 3-4. The Huayra was named the Hypercar of the Year 2012 inches by Top Gear magazine. On base came the Koenigsegg CCXR Trevita, which was launched at a cost of $4.8 million, and is powered by a 4.8-liter V8 engine, producing a power of 1,004. Koenigsegg Gira is a mid-engine sports car produced by the Swedish car manufacturer the Koenigsegg Year 2011, and it is the successor to the Koenigsegg SCX, CCXR, CCX, CCXR. The name Gira is derived from the Swedish verb agera, which means to act or to take action, and it was named the excessive Year 2010 car from Koenigsegg Gira. Megacar class, meaning more than 1 megawatt of power if you use the watt unit to measure the power of a car, hence the new name Megacar, that is above the supercar category, which was unveiled by the Swedish manufacturer Koenigsegg on 3 March 2015 at the Geneva Motor Show. A verb in Swedish means judgment or control. Only 80 units of this car will be produced at a price of US $1.9 million per car. 1. The car's propulsion system combines an internal combustion engine with a 5.0-liter twin-turbo V8 system. List of the most expensive cars in the world came the Lamborghini Veneno, which was first revealed in 2015 and currently costs $4.5 million. This model is powered by a 6.5-liter V12 engine, producing 740 horsepower, with torque of 609 Newton-meters, and the ability to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds, a limited production of high-performance sports cars manufactured by the Italian car manufacturer Lamborghini. Based on the Lamborghini Aventador, the Veneno was developed to celebrate Lamborghini's 50th anniversary. It was presented at the 2013 Geneva Motor Show. At its introduction, it had a price tag of $4 million, making it one of the most expensive production cars in the world. Lamborghini Chiron Supersport 300 supercar model from Bugatti, with which the French company succeeded in overcoming the 300 miles per hour requirement for the first time in the history of any unmodified fast car in the world, and the cost of the model reached $3.9 million. Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300 Plus peerless record-breaking Bugatti to celebrate the thrilling, record-breaking speed that crossed the magic threshold of 300 miles, 482.80 kilometers, per hour for the first time. Bugatti proudly presents the Chiron Supersport 300 Plus. Limited to 30 units, this very special edition of the Chiron is visually and technically inspired by the record-breaking car. Bugatti Chiron Supersport speed, unmatched performance, experience, a masterpiece of functionality and aerodynamics. Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300 Plus records beauty and the beast in a new dimension. The body of the Chiron in the last place came on the list of Motor One Lamborghini model, which cost $3.6 million, and works with a hybrid electric motor, producing a total power of 819 Lamborghini. It is an Italian supersports car, SUV brand. Founded by Ferruccio Lamborghini, 1916 to 1993. The company's headquarters and factory are located in Sant'Agata Bolognese, a small village between Bologna and Modena. The company is owned by Volkswagen AG through Audi.